Terra community burns 25 billion LUNC tokens, will it reach the highs? The Terra Classic LUNC has been putting more effort into resuscitation its new position in the crypto space. Unfortunately, the algorithmic stablecoin Terra and Luna collapse in May caused a massive loss in the industry. The crisis intensified the crypto winter of the year, leading to the loss of billions of dollars. However, the new Terra ecosystem is gradually building against its previous loss. One of its distinctive approaches is the protocol's burning mechanism. This action brought about the 1.2% tax burn for on-chain LUNC transactions, as proposed by one of the Terra community members. Burning LUNC tokens and new tax burn. The Terra community has embraced the burning mechanism in line with its plans. According to a recent report, the district has burned almost 25 billion Terra.